How to set Google Chrome as a default browser on your window. If you're using the laptop or PC, this process is the same. I'm using the Windows 10, guys. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so process is the same for PC or desktop. So if you're using the Windows 10 or 11, this process is the same. So let's start with the video, guys. First click on the start button, or you can go to the settings. Okay, so here you can see the all settings options. So we need to go in this app. Okay, so here you can see we are in the app window. So now we in order to set the default app, here at your left side there is a sidebar, so we need to click on default app. So this is default app option. Under the default app option, we can choose the default app for the every action. Like we can select for email, default email like software like Outlook. We can set the photo viewers as a for photo, default app for photo we can choose from here. Same as we can choose the for web browsing default app. So in my case I have only select Chrome. If you have select any different, you can select the Chrome. You just click on this selected app, and from here you can see the all your browser app which you have installed in your computer. So from here you have to select the Chrome browser, or you can select any other browser. Okay, so that is how you can select the this default browser as a Chrome in laptop or desktop. If you don't find this option here, you directly go in search and type the default app. Then the setting direct link will be appear up. Just you need to just hit on it, then it will be come here, and from here you can select the default browsing app for internet. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.